it's not ooh, oh my god, guys, what did I tell you about seeing new growth? Oh my god. Well, hello everyone, welcome, and let's look at some plants. I was on my balcony this morning and I was seeing some fantastic things that I just had to share with you guys. Except this, one of my orchids fell out. I don't know why it fell down. I think it was raining and it fell down. So, okay, I'm gonna have to repot it. Just a quick update. Do you see all those new roots coming in on my orchids? Look at that. I gotta repot it. Oh my gosh, I gotta pot it up because I gotta deal with that. The wind blew it down, I think. The wind knocked it over. All right, so this is what I wanted to share with you guys really quick. To me, I think it's one of the most rewarding things when you see new growth on your plants. Now, I came on my balcony this morning. I haven't been out here in like maybe 2 days the most, I would say. I'm always out here just to check, make sure that everything is going good. But just come around with me as I check out all my new growths. Now, look at my alocasia silver sword, I believe. I don't remember. I'll put the name on the screen. But you see, I'm getting a new growth. So rewarding. And this is my ficus elastica tiniki, and voila, new growth. Now guys, a little secret that I want to share that works for me. It may not work for you, especially if you live in certain parts of the country, but I'm here in sunny South Florida where it's still 80 degrees in December. Yeah, so when my plants are not doing well, I put them outside, and almost immediately I start to see results. This one was not doing well. See, I had to cut off a part of the leaf. I don't know what's going on, that inside. Sometimes I think it's like it can just be way too much humidity and not enough circulation, and they get fungus. But as soon as I took it outside, I got 1, 2 new leaves. Yeah, same thing with my tiniki. Like inside, it wasn't giving me any new leaves. I know for a fact that these are highlight plants. So outside, look, I got this new leaf coming, and then another one is here coming in. All right, moving right along to new growth. Now check out my alocasia. I don't know what it's called. It's alocasia something. I don't know what it is, but this alocasia, see, there's a new growth coming in. I'm so excited. Now this alocasia also has spider mites currently that I'm dealing with. Alocasias are famous for spider mites, but it's still pushing out new growth. I gave it a systemic treatment. Hopefully that will work, but it has spider mites still. I need to continue to treat it. Yes, so new growth there. I saw something else that was just giving me new growth. Even this plant right here, what is it called? Peperomia. It was dying inside. I took it outside and it's thriving. My peace lily was doing awful inside. I took it outside. It's doing wonderful. All of my Dieffenbachias, oh my gosh, they were doing terrible inside. They had spider mites. They were just not doing well. As you can see, some of the leaves, they have like they don't have as much variegation, but the newer ones are coming in with more variegation. That's because it's finally recovering. But I also treat this with a systemic, and I've been treating it with neem oil and insecticidal soap, and it's finally bouncing back. So I'm getting new growth in this one as well. Look, so look, I have all this new growth coming in. Yeah, it was raining. There's water right there. It was raining last night. I love when it rains sometimes. Well, I love when it rains because there's nothing like natural rainwater for your plants. And this is another Dieffenbachia that was not doing good. And now look at it. I Like, it's doing so good ever since I put it outside. It's new growth coming in. There's another one in the back over there. See how pretty it is? That did not have so much variegation. My monstera, oh my gosh, that big new beautiful leaf is what I got when I put it outside, but it was dying inside. My ivy, I'm getting big beautiful leaves. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this, guys. A leaf is coming in on my birds of paradise. And these are plants that are currently battling the spider mites along with that, but they're still giving me new growth. So, oh my god, it's so rewarding. I don't know about you guys, but if you are a plant parent and you get new growth, it is so rewarding. Look at this. For me, this is so rewarding because it wasn't trailing. I actually bought this in maybe a 4-inch pot at Home Depot or Lowe's, you know, those little tiny pots, and look at it now. That's why I buy my plants, guys, because I think it's so rewarding to watch them grow. Now look at it, it's trailing down and so full. My cactus is finally pushing out some new growth. I think this one was battling some scale or something. I also gave it a systemic treatment. Now it's pushing out new growth. Look, new growth. I dead-ed this because it was just ugly, and look, new growth here, new growth there, same over there. So yes. And while I'm on my orchids, look at this. This is from my orchid haul. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out. My Carmela orchid haul. Look at them root tips. Oh my god, there's nothing as rewarding as some orchid root tips. They look so good coming in. Oh my gosh, I'm just checking out my new growth on my balcony. It is so rewarding to see when they're coming in. And look at these roots. like I said, I love to see those root tips on the orchids. They are so pretty and a surefire sign that your orchid is healthy. Yeah, so a lot of my plants, when they're not doing well inside, I just take them outside. Like there's nothing like natural light, natural rainwater that does it. Okay, all right, look at this. Look at my Strovante. This was dying. Like this and this are the only original. This is not even an original leaf. This grew while I had it, and it's finally going away. I got all these new growth by putting it outside, while inside it was just dying. Like, look, I have a new leaf unfurling. Like, guys, I'm so excited. Like, I love coming on my balcony and see all these new growths. Like, okay. Root tips. Look at them root tips. So pretty. This got knocked over. Gotta fix it up back. Yeah. Thank you for coming along with me as I check out my new growth. Also, my bougainvillea is just blooming away. It is so rewarding when you get something, and like something like an orchid, for example, and they grow from scratch and rebloom, or you buy it and when it was in bloom and it rebloom again. For me, that's so rewarding. So my bougainvillea is in bloom again. I bought it in bloom and the blooms faded, and for a while it was just growing, and now it's blooming. Oh, look at this pretty striking pink on my cordyline. And it's also battling spider mites. I have a spider mite infestation going on out here, so I'm mostly giving them systemic treatments. I'm just over fighting naturally. Yeah, systemic. So like I said, thank you for hanging out with me on my balcony. This makes me so happy. This my green space. I need to tidy up now. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Hope you guys enjoyed. This also was not doing well. I put it outside. I'm not seeing any new growth, but it's not. Oh my god, guys, what I tell you about seeing new growth. Oh my god, you get my realest reaction because I did not know that it's doing something. Look at that right there. I probably shouldn't be touching up all these plants that has Spider-Mans and touch my plants that doesn't, but yeah. Look there. And look there. Like, look at all those growth points. I am telling you, if you are in a sunny area, I think there's gonna be one coming out here too, and you know your plants are not doing well inside, just take them outside. Like, it's, you know, it's almost, I think it's the beginning, when winter, no, it's almost winter, it's still fall, but it's almost winter, and you know it's still warm here. I just take them outside and everyone is doing so well outside. I am excited. I'm gonna be getting some new growths really soon from this. It hasn't done nothing but die on me since I bought it like 6 months ago. And these are just propagations. See, you can tell these are the new healthy leaves. Those are the propagations from the mama over here that wasn't doing so well. She was just faded. I don't know what was her problem, but she's bouncing back. Yeah. Oh, all right, that's it, guys. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more planty content, and have a wonderful day. See ya.